Hello, I've recently been involved in a little project which has been giving my bathtub a jungle feel, and you can see all the plants here which I've bought and surrounded my bathtub, and the idea is that I can get in the bath and have a relax and an unwind after a long day in the garden, listen to some music, read a book, have a glass of wine. And I did that the other night, but I wasn't really satisfied with the lighting. It was a little bit too stark with the main bathroom lights on. So I bought these little puck lights, and the idea is I'm going to position them around the bath under the plants to uplight this area. And that should be a lot more relaxing. Now, the reason I bought these is because you don't have to plug them in. You don't have to have electric in your bathroom. They are rechargeable, and you get two of these little cables, each of which has 3 little plug points on it. So you can set about charging them up as soon as you get them. You also get 2 little remote controls, so you could divide this set of 6 into 2 sets of 3 and have 2 sets in separate rooms of the house. Of course, you don't have to use them for uplighting the plants. You can use them for lighting any area, and they've got little stickers on the back, and those are also magnetic, so you can put them underneath a shelf and downlight things as well as uplighting things, as I'm going to do here. I will put a link to these in the description box below this video, and if you buy them, of course I will get some commission from Amazon, and I appreciate your support. You can buy sets of 4 or sets of 6. Now the set I've got has got 3 different colours of white light, a warm light, a neutral light and a cool white, and I've gone for the white ones because my bathroom is very much a white theme. There is another set on Amazon which are coloured ones, so you have white and then the whole rainbow of colours. So if you want that one, there's a different set, and I'll put the link for that too in the description box below this video. I'm going to give you the effect that these give in a moment, because I'm going to set them all up, turn the light off and give you a little bit of a video. But I thought I'd just talk to you about these for a moment, because it's fascinating to me that you can have these remote controlled uplighters that you don't have to plug in. So without further ado, let me get these set up and then take some footage and share it with you. But don't forget, if you want to buy them, there's a link in the description box below this video. If you want to see my other video, how I've created this jungle bathtub and the houseplants I've chosen for a steamy bathroom, I'll link to it at the end of this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon for some more houseplant uplighting adventures. Bye for now.